Their mission statement says their goal is clean air. But is the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, our state's version of the EPA, really living up to that goal? KPRC2 Investigates has found a policy in place that doesn't seem to jive and is not in line with how some other states are doing things. Our Joel Eisenbaum clears the air tonight.
We're still waiting on the chemical plant to give us some better information. It is a nasty chemical, but that is all we know.
When the ITC disaster struck in March 2019, we were caught flat-footed.
We have no clue.
We didn't really know what was in the air. The closest air quality monitor wasn't reporting.
Sir, the Deer Park monitor hasn't reported since 5 a.m.
Well, sometimes they're down for maintenance.
This is an inopportune time for that.
Right.
Our state's network of air quality monitors never quite seem to be there when we need them most.
The TCQ monitors are paid for by taxpayer dollars, and they're meant to monitor our air during good times and during bad times, especially during natural disasters.
Which brings us to hurricanes and the state's de facto policy to shut down most air quality monitoring to protect the equipment. But that's not how some other states do it. New Jersey was just pounded by Hurricane Ida, but they never shut down their air monitoring. And that same nasty storm first made landfall in Louisiana. And guess what? They never switched off their equipment either.
We do not. They run until the power goes off. That's correct.
I guess our position is that if you don't have that first line of defense in terms of getting information from those monitors, then you need another plan to collect that information.
It's not just environmental groups that think there's a problem with TCEQ's approach to air quality monitoring. In December 2019, the EPA's Inspector General found its Texas counterpart, TCEQ, largely failed to monitor industrial emissions during the storm. And that was a big miss because an extra 340 tons of air toxics were released during Harvey, according to the EPA. It came from pollution-heavy startups, shutdowns, and accidents during the unprecedented storm. And just before it rolled in, the director of TCEQ's Air Permits Division at the time instructed his staff not to issue deficiencies to industrial facilities applying for new air permits, writing, quote, "If a company has contacted you asking for more time due to the hurricane, please let them know that the request has been approved."
I would say that there are not emails going to the communities telling them what they should be doing in the midst of these events and what they should be doing to protect their personal health when we are seeing 300 parts per billion benzene after damage at a tank and so forth.
The TCEQ declined our request for an interview, but told us during Hurricane Harvey they did not suspend any requirements regarding monitoring, air quality, or compliance. You can see their full statement at click2houston.com/investigates. The TCEQ has improved its fleet of mobile air monitors since Harvey. Joel Eisenbaum, KPRC 2 News.